I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
Bitcoin's a fixed supply. I think that recently has kind of been blowing my mind again, because right now, like you have everything going on in the world, and then you have this one thing that can't be moved. And I think that's just amazing how there's just one, it's a fixed supply, and we've never seen anything in the world before that has a fixed supply like that. And I think that's amazing because, we have MicroStrategy continues to buy in, El Salvador, like the president's out there, and he's just tweeting, we bought the dip again. And then it's like you have other countries that are realizing what's going on. Other companies are starting to understand. And you have billionaires like the legendary Bill Miller, who's a legendary investor. And he's also said, he's 50% Bitcoin. And it's like, how many more people, Paul Tudor Jones, all these people are starting to come in, and it's a fixed supply asset. So, when the demand grows, the only thing that can happen is price goes up. And it really doesn't matter, what's happened in the past. And I think that's what a lot, even us as Bitcoiners, we'll look at like these cycles of 2013, 2017, and yeah, they matter. But when you get to the point where it's almost like a tipping point, where everything in the past doesn't matter, because there's new people that are coming in and they understand it, and they're going to continue to buy it. They're not going to be afraid of it. You have like the third richest man in Mexico who's a Bitcoiner. You have all these people just popping up out of nowhere who have a lot of money and influence. And then you have a ton of plebs. It's the whole like gradually, and then suddenly,